What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Card Break NL getting ready for a big one. We got some SP Authentic release day action happening here. Early bird release day. Gotta love it. The benefit of being living in Newfoundland, early time zone. We got 8 boxes. This is a 16-box case. They used to have like 8-box inner, 8-box inner. This is just 16 loose boxes when you open this up. So we're gonna roll a dice you figure out if we're gonna do the left or the right side. But here's your teams for this one. We got Frank with Anaheim, Willie, Arizona, Anthony, Boston, Patrick, Buffalo, Francesco is Calgary, Carolina, Smitty, John, Chicago, Jay, Colorado, Chris, Columbus, Christopher Columbus, Smitty, Dallas, Ethan, Detroit, David, Edmonton, Eddie, Florida, Patrick, Vegas, George, LA, Derek, Minnesota, Franco is Montreal, Dustin, Nashville, Adam, New Jersey, Chad, Islanders, Mitchell, Rangers, Franco is Ottawa, Jason, Philly, Eddie, Pittsburgh, Ian, San Jose. Message me your EMT address, will you, Ian? Eddie, Seattle, David, St. Louis, Francesco, Tampa Bay, Marcus, Toronto, Eddie, Vancouver. I'll be embarrassed to be Toronto today, Marcus. Anthony, Washington, and Craig is Winnipeg. There you have it, guys. Enjoy the break. We're going to fix the camera here and get started. Jeez, getting techno pumping here this morning. There we go. It's a little bit more relaxed. All right, let's do it up, guys. We're going to roll a dice, figure out which side of this we're going to do here. 16-box case. We're doing 8 of it. Yeah, product's looking nice. I haven't seen any of it, but the checklist is looking super nice. I know they made some additions this year, too. I'm sure nobody really cares that much, but there's some new additions to the product. Has changed around a little bit. It's actually 10 packs now instead of 18, which is good. That was a complaint from me. I always loved SP Authentic. It was just too many packs. You still get your 1 Future Watch auto. You get another autograph. You get a premium insert or a number card, 1 bounty, 7 inserts, and 8 parallels per box. There's 200 base cards in the set. Your Future Watch autographs still numbered to $9.99. Your first 50 are inscribed. The new sets in this stuff, SP Top Rookies. You're going to see 1 in 3 packs, so you'll see them quite often. There's blue, they're 1 in 12 packs, and there's green, that's 1 in 60 packs. There's a new SP Hollow Foils. It's a Tough Chase card, 1 in 160 packs. They look pretty sharp too. And the SP Bounty program is still going on this year. It's something they've been doing the last few years. There's 99 Spectrum FXs. If you complete the set online, Upper Deck will send you the number 100 Spectrum FX card that you can't get in packs. You can only get it by completing the Bounty program. And the first 50 people to complete the Bounty program will receive a gold version of the 100 card gold version of the Spectrum FXs and a couple surprise cards too. That's all Upper Deck released about that. So should be fun. Let's do it. Good luck. Get your 1-on-1 guesses in here while you can. We're all rolling the dice right now. That was my spiel that time. No guest ink on this one, Dustin. Going to be pretty much every other one. This one being the early bird break, I didn't do it. 1, 2, 3 left side, 4, 5, 6 right side. 4, 5, 6 right side it is. Okay, gonna put the other side away here. There is your 8 boxes. Good luck with the break, folks. Enjoy. Everybody's first look at this early bird release. This one's going right up on YouTube, so all the collectors can check out the product, see if they're liking what they see if they want to go out and grab a box or not. But yeah, that's usually why we do the early bird breaks, get a good look at the product and see what we're working with all day. Here we go. We got a SP Limited Brock Besser, Vancouver Canucks. Here's your Future Watch, number to 900. Samuelson, Matthias Samuelson for the Buffalo Sabres. 554 of 900. Yep, a lot less packs than normal, Corey. 18 packs usually in SP Authentic is 10 now. And we got True Leaders, Connor McDavid. These are the ones we were just talking about. True Leaders, McDavid, SP Red, And the number 2/900. I don't mind it, to be honest with you. I know some collectors don't like Upper Deck messing with the format of anything, but I don't mind it. If you were to ask me what I didn't like about SP Authentic, too many packs, man. Some packs are base cards. Some packs are just like, the same insert after same insert after same insert. So I like it. Hopefully it works out here. We'll see. But I like the change for now. Here's a limited Future Watch, red. Nice, good stuff, man. I'm jealous. You're going to the expo. I'm not going to make it. I wish I could go right now. Gordie Howe, beautiful looking card. Pageantry. Woof. This is interesting. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's like they're like moving around. Pretty cool. Gordie Howe. And we got SP Top Rookies. Blue. These are 1 in 12 packs, I think it was. I just said. The SP Top Rookies come 1 in 3 packs. This one's 1 in 12. And then there is the green as 1 in 60. I really like that Gordie Howe. Pageantry. Not the easiest word to say. Yeah, send me. I should send you a message, Tommy. I'm looking for a few cards to complete a set. I should send you a message if you see any of them around. Let me know. I got a couple people on the lookout. Yeah, I wish I was going. I got a trip I'm going on the weekend after. So if it wasn't for that, I would 100% be at the expo, like a kid in a candy store. Seth Jones, Chicago. Spectrum FX. So these are the bounty cards that I mentioned earlier. There's 99 Spectrum FXs, and once you complete the set, Upper Deck sends you the 100th card in the set. Saros, there's the bounty, and the SP Top Rookies for Tampa Bay. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I like what I'm seeing so far. You're getting multiple hits per pack. You're gonna coming in the store and buying a pack of SP Authentic now. It is gonna cost you more money per pack than it did last year, but you have a better chance of hitting the autograph since there's less packs, and you're getting more hits in a pack too. So I'm not upset about it at all here. I like the change, and I'm gonna be cracking a few boxes of this stuff today at some point. Lundell, red, Future Watch. Pavelski, Pageantry. It's like looking in one of those kaleidoscopes. And Matthew Tkachuk, the die cut. Some of these Pageantry cards are autographed too, so they're going to be nice. I like it. Yeah, it's a 200 card base set too. Checklist is loaded. Stars, rookies, legends. All right, our first autograph of release day is going to 512 of 999. Seth Jarvis. Nice. 512 of 999. Carolina Hurricanes on card Future Watch auto. Right on. We'll take it. Pageantry rookie Henrik Laperriere and top rookie Ross Colton. Now, the only thing that would make me dislike these Pageantry cards if there was too many of them. I think that's 3 so far in the box. Nice card, Carolina. Carolina, Smitty. First auto of the day, going to yourself. Limited Giordano. Uh-oh, here we go with the Pageantry rookie McTavish. And we got a blue die cut for the Oilers, Connor McDavid. Giordano. Looking for one more autograph here in this box. 4 packs left. Ooh, I was going to say, feels like a thick pack. I wonder why. All right, we got a thickie. Let's put it away for a sec. Let's open the other 3 packs. Box number 1, producing a thickie. Sampo Ranta. Future Watch. Red. Limited. Brent Burns. Pageantry. Okay, I don't like him as much now anymore. And we got SP Top Rookies. Anton Lundell. Florida. Lots of hits. Getting 2 or 3 hits per pack here so far. We got our Future Watch autograph and a patch coming up. Here's Braden Shen, Joe Veleno, and Jack Hughes. Nice little breakaway goal last night. Shooter goal. Even though they got hammered, absolutely hammered by the Rangers. It wasn't even close. Same as the Leafs game. My question about SP Authentic this year, I know they had some uproar the last couple of years about having boxes with no autographs. So I'm wondering if you're going to fix that or if you're going to see some boxes again with like 4 or 5 autographs and sometimes none. Hoping to keep it to just the 2. Cole Caulfield, SP Top Rookie. Yeah, hoping to keep it to just 2 autographs. I don't want to be seeing any boxes with no autographs. And patch auto time. Wasting no time at all here. First box, patch auto. Let's see it. Here's Draisaitl, Pageantry. Dylan Larkin. All right, maybe we got some first box mojo. What do you think? Boom! Nashville Predators. First one made. We got Philip Tomasino for the Nashville Predators, which is Dustin. Damn, nice card, man. Let me grab you a 1 touch. Right on, man. Nice card, Dustin. Nashville, little cheap team, hitting big. Kind of like it. First one made, 2 of 100. That's a pretty looking patch. Very nice. Congrats on that one, buddy. All right. That's box 1. I like it. Like what I seen? Give me a sec. I'm going to sort some of these here so it's easier going forward. Just for the record, though, so that, and that 1 box. That's a lot of hits, less packs in a box of SP Authentic right now, which some people are upset about, but looks like more hits to me and better quality, but that's just my opinion. That's a lot of top loaders, a lot of sleeved, and a 1 touch, all in the 1 box. If you looked at that, you'd say that's like a 3-box break almost. All right. Box 2. Drake Batherson. Ehlers. Spurgeon. Okay, I like the color of that. I like it. Kopitar, LA Kings. Denisenko, top rookies. Sign of the Times, Jesper Bratt. Inscribed, 41 of 49. Nice looking card for New Jersey Devils. Looks like it says Minion. I'm not sure if that's it or not. New Jersey, Adam Blunden. Yeah, I don't know. That's what it looks like it says to me. I don't know if it's correct or not, but it looks like Minion. I was going to say I don't recognize it as his nickname or nothing, but we got a SP Future Watch Limited Tampa Bay Lightning. Patrick Kane, Chicago Blackhawks, Pageantry, and 1 in 12 blue, Cole Sillinger, top rookie. Going to be lots more SP Authentic. Where did this come from? There definitely got to be a story behind that. I'm almost curious to find out what it is now. Hellerbuck. Winnipeg. Lucas Raymond. Rookie. And there's the green. That's a tough pull. 1 in 60, I believe that is. Shane Pinto. Kalynuk. Spectrum FX. This is a tier 2. I didn't notice the tiers on the last one, but there's your tiers. There's always a tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Tier 3 being your harder ones to hit. And there's Patrick Kane. Next one's going to be a Future Watch autograph. You're guaranteed 1 Future Watch autograph per box. Nathan McKinnon. I should stop saying the word guaranteed. There's nothing guaranteed these days. Flames, numbered to 900. Matthew Phillips. And top rookie, Cole Sillinger. Put the whole top rookie set together here for Cole Sillinger all in one break. Mo Sider. Detroit, Nick Backstrom. Washington, and Giordano. Seattle. Anybody here trying to put the set together, the Spectrum FX? Anybody going to give it a go? Every year we got somebody in the group trying to put it together and hunting down the list as best as possible. I'm telling you, man, some people put this set together. The first 50 people get the. I mean, you put the set together, Upper Deck's going to send you something. But the first 50 people are the ones who really get something cool sent to you. So the first 50, you'd be surprised how fast that happens. I'd say within the first week of this product, the 50 are all done. Adam Fox. Got Ryan O'Reilly, Spectrum FX. 99 cards in the Spectrum FX set. Top rookie, LaPerriere. And then Upper Deck sends you the 100th Spectrum FX card when you complete the 99 set bounty program. They'll send you number 100 that you can't get anywhere else in packs or boxes or anything like that. Ross Colton, Makar, Pageantry, and Patty Kane, Blue die cut. Last pack looks like it should be the Future Watch autograph. Spencer Knight, rookie, Pageantry. David Ferrance. And autograph, Future Watch, going to Alexander Holtz, 610 and 999. I even like to look at the Future Watch autographs this year. I'm a fan. Two boxes in the books. Let's go 2 and 2. So you're getting 10 packs, 9 cards a pack. There you go. Mr. Slay got the knowledge. Hilarious. Did not know that. I figured it would have to be a nickname, but I've never heard it before. Alright, not trying to get excited here, but I do like what I'm seeing from SP Authentic here. I like the changes. Brent Burns, San Jose Sharks, Markstrom, and Mo Sider. Detroit. Anders Lee, limited autograph, New York Islanders. Yeah, I am looking forward to Saturday. How about yourself? I honestly haven't really had a chance to think about it too much, but, you know, it's going to be fun no matter what. Mike Modano. Spencer Knight. But yeah, we got our Trader Night. That's what Chris is talking about. If anybody's interested, Trader Night. This Saturday at Card Break NL after the store closes. I think it's going to start around 8 o'clock. Start around 8 o'clock and probably go till, I don't know, 10:30, 11 o'clock, whatever. But we got in-store breaks. We got some in-store sales. We got people bringing cards with them to do some trades. Gonna have tables set out for you guys to sit down and trade cards. They're gonna have some food ordered in. NHL, NBA playoffs on TV. UFC on that night. Come on now, tell me I'm not speaking to you. There's about 5-6 spots left on the list. If anybody wants in, hit me up. There's only so many spots, and then it's done. We got Vegas, Future Watch, Carey Price, Pageantry, and Zach Jones. Yeah, and listen, it's called a Trader Night, and some people are going to be bringing cards with them and trading, and some people aren't. So don't let the name of the night fool you. If you don't got a bunch of cards, if you're just new to collecting, you don't got a bunch of cards to bring with you, don't feel like you don't gotta come. Some people I know aren't even bringing cards. They're just coming for the sports, coming for the food, coming for the in-store breaks, and to enjoy the night. So your choice. The Trader Night is just a label. Here's Sidney Crosby and Dylan Larkin. But that being said, there is a lot of people bringing traders with them too. So anybody who is bringing their traders, have at it. Should be a fun night. Here's Weatherby. Maybe we'll do a case of SP Authentic in store. We'll all sit around and open a box or something. Weatherby and Spectrum FX. Quentin Byfield. That's your tier 3. The hard ones to hit. And Anton Lundell. Tier 3 Byfield. So yeah, these are the ones that sell for a nice penny, especially when people are trying to put together that set. The people trying to put together that set are the ones you definitely want buying those tier 3 off. Thought I saw a redemption there for a second. Roman Yossi, number to 900. Dallas, Future Watch, and another Jack Hughes. LePerrier, Pageantry, Alex Newhook, and David Ferrance, top rookie blue. I believe we're looking for one more autograph here in this box somewhere. Barkov, Florida. Mark Stone, Spectrum FX. And Cole Caulfield, top rookie, Montreal Canadiens. Philip Gustafson, Ottawa Senators. Sean Monahan and Connor Mack, True Leaders. All right, we're approaching the halfway mark of this case here. I believe there should be an autograph here. Zegras. Ducks, Pageantry rookie, SP top rookie. And autograph, LePerrier. Future Watch auto. So was it two Future Watch autographs in that box, I believe? 813 and 999. Washington Capitals. That is box 3. Here is box 4 after this halfway point. Backstrom. Wayne Gretzky, nice looking pageantry for the Oilers, and Mitch Marner. Bowen Byram, signed at the Times for the Colorado Avalanche. On-card autograph, Bowen Byram. Islanders, Anders Lee and Ranta. Felix Sandstrom. Seth Jarvis was the first autograph today. And Philip Gustafson, the blue. Ottawa Senators. Victor Olofsson, Buffalo Sabres. There he is, Cole Caulfield. Pageantry, Montreal. And Alexander Holtz. Green, those green are 1 in 60 packs. Fabian Zetterlund. Logan Thompson. Spectrum FX. He's only tier 1, eh? And Jared Spurgeon again. Thompson, tier 1 Spectrum FX for Vegas. Kirill Kaprizov. 229 to 900. We got Alex Newhook. And Sillinger. Cole Lind. Elias Pettersson. Patrick Kane. Marc-Andre Fleury, Spectrum FX. Denis Senko. And Andre V. Tampa Bay. Two packs to the halfway mark. William Eklund. Philip Grubauer. Seattle Pageantry. And Quentin Byfield Blue. Mike Bossy. Islanders, Giordano. And Future Watch autograph. Thompson for the Ottawa Senators. 320 and $9.99. And that is officially the halfway mark. Give me a second. I'm going to clear my table here, and I'll be right back. All right, we're on the tail end of it. 4 left. Jordan Eberle. Lots of Seattle kicking around. Brent Burns. Wade Allison. Oh boy. Oh boy. We got another patch auto coming up. Put that bad boy away for a minute. St. Louis, Gordie Howe, pageantry. That word is going to mean nothing to me by the end of the day. I'll have said it so much. Tyler Bertuzzi, Pavelski, And Mark Stone. Vegas. Oscar Steen. Thompson again with the Spectrum FX. He's tier 1. And LePerrier. I like it. Sounds like you want to be a contestant. That's what we could do. Future icons, nice looking card, 125 at 399 Montreal. Cole Caulfield, Nick Suzuki. Yeah, maybe that's what we can do at our trader night on Saturday, as a finale. Caulfield Suzuki, nice looking card for the Habs. Dallas, Future Watch. LePerrier. And McKinnon. Man, I really should have ate breakfast this morning. Hear my stomach growling. Brady Kachuk, Matthews, Toronto, Spectrum FX, and SP Top Rookies, Jarvis. Rasmus Kupari, Kalen Addison, Johnny T. And last pack here should have an autograph too, I believe. Oh, it does. Looks like one of those retro Future Watch autographs, maybe. Nice. Dylan Larkin. Detroit. Jake Neighbors. Let's check it out as a retro. All right, looks like a retro Future Watch autograph for Philip Gustafson. I do like the design on him, though. That's a throwback. Can't remember what year it is. Is it 2000? What year is it? I want to say 2011. I'm not 100% sure, though. I think it was Scheifele's year. Was it, maybe? Nice card, nonetheless. Ottawa. And let's check out our patch auto that we put away at the very start of the box. Cool. First one of those retros that we have seen. Oh boy. You want to get me a thick one touch? Please? Joe Veleno. Beauty card coming up here. Panarin. Check this out. It is also a tribute retro Future Watch auto patch. Check it out. Thanks, man. Boom! Dawson Mercer. Nice. Hell yeah. 80/99, beautiful card. New Jersey Devils. Yeah, buddy. The Newfie making an appearance in the Newfie early bird break. Gotta like it. Hell yeah. 80/99. Congrats, Mr. Blunden. Oh, good luck. You'll never get this from Adam's hands. Unless it's his cold, dead hands. He ain't getting rid of that, I can tell you that much. All right, beautiful card, man. Good stuff, good stuff. That was a nice little box there, actually. We got 3 boxes left. Check up Voracek. Patrick Kane. Seen a lot of Patty Kane here. And Trevor Zegras. Blue top rookie. Upper Deck Authentics, Josh Bailey. Second New York Islanders autograph at a break. We got rookie Raymond and Draisaitl. What's everybody's opinions here? We got a few bodies watching. What do you guys think of the product so far? I like it. Don't listen to me. Tell me what you like. Tell me if you like it or you don't. But I'm liking what I see. I'm usually pretty honest about products. If it's shit, I'll tell you. And if it's good, I'll tell you. Weatherby. I said I wasn't going to post any pictures of the nice cards we hit in this break, but since Mr. Blunden is watching live, I'm probably going to post that picture if you don't mind. So that is the plan. Post a nice picture, get everybody excited for the... I like it too. I hit so I like it. That's no way to judge a product. That is no way to judge the product. I hit a nice card, so now I like the product. Roman Josi. Cale Makar. I will say one thing I don't like is too many of these pageantry cards. I liked them first when I saw them. I didn't see the hit rate when I was looking at the checklist. I didn't see the hit rate on the pageantries. But yeah, it's too many, man. It's like, what, 5 a box, it seems like? Too many, in my opinion. Would have been a cool little set if they had to maybe give you 1 per box or something, or even less. But I ain't going to complain. It's been nice so far. LePerrier. Lundell, Tier 2. Spencer Knight. Back-to-back Florida rookies. There you go. That's probably the best way to judge a product is to not have any skin in the game. We got Barkov, $9.99 Buffalo, and Connor McDavid. I'm probably going to be back in about an hour and rip a box live myself. If anybody's watching wants a box, anybody interested in ripping a box or some packs or something, shoot me a message. I'm going to pop on here. I'm going to go home and grab some food and drop back. Store's open all day, though. T-Mart's here looking after the store. But I will be back in about an hour, so if anybody's interested in cracking a box or a pack, do it up. I think I'm going to do a box myself. Yeah, it is pretty much like the canvas. It just looks too nice to be. It just looks too nice of a card to be constantly finding them. You know what I mean? Looks like a card that should be a little bit more short print. Just my opinion. Spencer Knight and True Leaders. Barkov. Lots of Panthers to go around here. It's only early. My words will get better as the day goes. William Karlsson. Tyler Bertuzzi, Spectrum FX. And Kalen Addison, Minnesota Wild. Biggest hit so far, probably Dawson Mercer. Jake Neighbors. We're going to be breaking this stuff all evening, all night. Starting breaking at like 10 o'clock. Going to be breaking 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11. and hopefully do a couple other things too. Here's David Pastrnak and Boone Jenner. We got 3 cases. Besides this one here, we got 3 cases full for the night. I think one got a few teams left, but pretty much full. So you might see one more case of SP Authentic posted a little bit later. And maybe a small mixer or something. I know it's not the most affordable breaks. Some of them are pretty pricey. So we'll see if we can do a cheap mixer, get some SP Authentic in there too. Jeremy Swayman. Nico Dawes. A couple of rookie goalies. And Newhook. We got new feet content all over this break, baby. 421 and $9.99. Hell yeah. Colorado. That's a big Purdy autograph too by Newhook. I like it. I'm not sure, Wayne. I think maybe Team Select, maybe leaning towards Team Select. Team Select seemed like it filled fast compared to the random. So Colorado, Jay, get ready for your inbox to be blown up with a few people looking for this, I'm sure. Nice card. Right on, we got Mercer and Newhook. Yeah, leaning towards Team Select just because the Team Selects filled faster than the randoms, but I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me on that. You might not even see another case yet. It depends. Most likely will, though. We got playoff hockey, playoff basketball on the night, release night. My God, my wife won't be able to peel me away from here later tonight. I'll be sleeping on the couch. Last 2 boxes. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Usually release days when they mess with the format, I usually come out of the break being like, ugh, I don't know how I feel about that. I don't really like what they did. But I got nothing but positives here. I like what I see. And looking forward to more breaks tonight. Carey Price. Kalen Addison. I think one thing I'll do tonight just to make the breaks go a little bit faster, instead of sleeve and everything, anything autographed or numbered or short print, I'll make sure it gets sleeved on camera. But anything like these here that I'm sleeving now, we'll just put them off camera, and we'll get the mailman to sleeve them here. He'll be watching the breaks tonight. Might shave off, 15 minutes on a break or something. Roman Josi, sign of the times. Dylan Larkin and Kupari. Nashville hitting again. Nashville were a cheap buy-in. They got the Future Watch auto patch of Tomasino, and now a Roman Josi autograph to go with it. Why not? Nice little break for Dustin. Cam York, Jacob Markstrom, Boone Jenner. Ooh, we got the green Ovi. That's 1 in 60 packs for Washington. Chikrin, Mike Modano, and an Ovi green die cut. You got the music in here. Yeah, so like I said earlier, SP Authentic by the pack is going to be a little bit more exciting to rip. It is also going to be a little bit more expensive. You can come in store and get last year's SP Authentic for like $19 a pack, I believe it is. This stuff's going to be closer to 30. It's going to be just under 30 at 30 a pack, $27.99, I believe it is. Matthew Phillips, Spectrum FX Dallas, and Ovechkin again, back-to-back die cuts. Dahlin, Quentin Byfield, 139 of 900, and Shane Pinto, top rookies. We got about a box and a half left here. Parker Kelly, Carey Price, Bo Horvat. we're definitely getting a good look at the product. Haven't seen any like the huge rookies. Mercer, Newhook, big rookies. Don't get me wrong, but haven't seen Caulfield, Zegras, Sider, Raymond, Sergey Bobrovsky. We got Panarin and Dahlin. Holtz, New Jersey Devils. Sidney Crosby and Nico Dawes. I think this one should be autographed. Newhook, Quinn Hughes. Tanner Janot, apparently great break to be Nashville. Hitting pretty much every autograph they got on the checklist. Why not? Right on. Dustin, killing it. That's your box number 7, box 8. Here we go, folks. Last and final. Not a bad case. Couple nice cards. Let's see if we can finish strong here. I'm going to pop out for about an hour, and then I'll be back. Like I said, anybody's interested in doing some pack rips or a box or whatever, shoot me a message. I'm going to jump on and open a box too. Been having some pretty shit luck with the boxes, to be honest with you. Any boxes I've been opening lately have been trash, so fingers crossed. Okay, looks like we got a Sign of the Times Decades Edition. Jeremy Swayman, Blake Wheeler, and Philly Sign of the Times Keith Yandel. Philly. We also got something promotion going on all day and pretty much all release week here. That if you get in the card break of SP Authentic, or you rip a box or a pack in store, and you hit the black Future Watch Auto Patch 101, you get a free box of SP Authentic. We had somebody rip one open last year in store, Tim Stutzel. So let's see if we can keep it going this year. If we do, free box on the house. Wayne Gretzky. So got to be in a card break and a break with SP Authentic in it, obviously, and or it has to be in store. It has to be a box or packs in store. Connor McDavid, Anders Lee, Cole Caulfield. Niles Lundqvist, Kalynuk, Tier 1, and Denny Senko, Florida, SP Top Rookies. We're looking for one more autograph here, and we got 5 packs remaining. Great break, great product. I like it. I'm not just saying that either. Like I said, if it's a product I don't like, I'll make it pretty clear. But this stuff, I'm digging. 36/99, Mitch Marner, and top rookie for Anaheim. That is a number 99 limited for the Leafs. 4 packs left. One of them should be autographed. Boston, Seth Jarvis and Barkov. The last one should be a Future Watch autograph. And one thing I will say about the product, we didn't see any boxes with less than 2 autographs. We didn't see any boxes with more than. So that's also a win in my books. Can't stand opening a box of SP Authentic and not hitting an autograph. Quinn Hughes, Svechnikov, Philip Gustafsson. Dawson Mercer again. Looks like the last pack should be autographed. Hopefully it didn't jinx us. Cole Caulfield, Quentin Byfield. All right, last pack mojo. What do you say? Last pack mojo, here we go. Elias Pettersson. Salo. And last card is Future Watch autograph. Numbered 73 of 999. Close to being inscribed. 73 of 999 for Ryan Merkley, San Jose Sharks. There you have it. Ian with the last hit of the break. San Jose Sharks, Ryan Merkley. There you have it, folks. Some nice cards. Nothing like massive, groundbreaking, but some really, really nice cards. I'm loving the look of the new product, and hope you guys enjoyed it too. Lots more of this product coming today. We're getting back at it 8 o'clock tonight. It's 12 o'clock here now. 8 o'clock tonight, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock tonight. Playoff Sports and SP Authentic Release Day. Thanks again. Enjoy your day, folks. Don't forget, go big or go home.